Here we go. Now we've got the Hubsan Mini, the one with the black arms. It's rated at around 250 grams. Now my scales, every scale is out a little bit part of 1/100th of a gram or a couple hundredths of a gram, whatever. So at 250 grams, my scale could be out a gram, let's say. So for all intents and purposes, I would say this is a 250 gram drone. It's iffy, but nobody's out there with a scale anyway, so I'm going to say, yeah, it's a 250 gram drone, basically. But I'm not going anywhere near houses or people or anything like that. It's just above zero, or on the zero mark. We've got the satellites, we've got it up and running, we've got all the updated stuff. Now, I just flew the DJI Mini 3. Why am I flying the Hubsan Mini? Because it's got the same camera, same sensor camera size, 1/1.3, okay? So I'm doing them both in 1080p because 4K, it's a long story. I don't shoot 4K that much. I may do a comparison later on between this 4K and that 4K, but for now I'm just doing this. The reason I'm doing it is because this is basically almost a third of the price, half the price, something like that. Anyway, it's a lot cheaper than the other option, and like the Hubsan Zino Mini SE, it does everything. It's got waypoints, orbits, tracking. It's got tons of stuff. Like you look into here, and oh, we got to start the screen recorder here. 3, 2, 1. Screen recorder. There we go. So when we go into this, it's got all this stuff: hyperlapse, waypoints, orbit, follow mode, normal mode. Creative video, line of flight, all this kind of stuff. So it's got lots of stuff. And if you tap once, I can unlock, I can lock, I can do all kinds of stuff. I can, whatever. So let's get it up in the air and see what happens. Here we go. There we go. I've got skis on it. Okay. I mean, it's a Hubsan. It's pretty good. Let's bring this back a little bit here. Okay. Okay. It's very good. It's very good. Can't really complain about it. Anyway, let's get down the driveway. And let's get it up. And we're going to start that video. There it is. We want to go up. And a nice thing about this is, what I like is that the telemetry is kind of outlined in a dark shade or a black. So you can read it better. Let's get down there a little bit. I don't have my grid lines on, I don't think. Do I have my grid lines on? Let's have a look. Grid lines, grid lines, grid lines, grid. I want the grid. There we go. Okay, I thought so. Anyway, we're going to go over here. We'll go over to the lake. There we go. And we're up about 30 meters, so we want to go a little higher than that. So we're going to go up to 45 or 50 or so. And see where we get. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. So we're going to come, there we go. So let's go over there. And let's have a look at that island again. There it goes. Down a little bit on that camera. Yeah, the horizon's off a little bit. That's the Hubsan Mini. The Hubsan Zino Mini SE is a lot better on horizon. Okay, and we're going to go over this island here and have a look down, just like we did with the DJI Mini 3. So we should be over the island pretty soon. I say somewhere about there. So let's bring that camera down. Okay, and we're going to look at the island again, just like we did with the other one. There we go. It's still going down. There we go. Just about there, I think. There we go. We're right down there. So we can just explore here and go around the island. Okay. There is a zoom on here, but oh no, we don't want to go any higher. Let's go. And we can have a look around. Okay, let's bring that up again. Up we go. We go forward again. There we go. There, we're heading out there. So we're up at 52 meters. Oh, look at that horizon way off. Let's get that back and let's get that horizon back. There we go. Can we get the horizon back? No, maybe not. A little bit. Yeah, that's pretty good. You have to play with it sometimes and do some stuff, but there we go. So my Hubsan Mini may not be the best example of the Hubsan Mini. It was one of the first ones they produced, so I don't know. I don't have any poor signal. So we've got what at 400 and something. Okay, in flight. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, maybe we can bring it home. Maybe it's coming home. It's disconnected. Okie dokie, we just have to wait. It should be coming home. But then again, you never know. There it is. Let's bring it home. Not connected. Yeah, return to home. Okie dokie. It's coming home. So it doesn't have good range today either. So it's about the 400 or so. So we're going to head out the other way. We've got 70% in the battery. If I hold the function down, the buzzing stops. Okay, so we'll bring it back. We're going to do a landing on our landing pad. And yeah, we've had a lot of people, don't do it, it's too dangerous, you're going to hurt yourself. Well, with my eye, if I put my hand under and it misses by 2 inches, I'm going to cut my fingers. So if I'm off by 2 inches on this, worst that'll happen is it won't be in the middle of the pad. There you go. Here it comes. You ready to cancel it? Boom, there it is, way up there. Whoa, I didn't check the return to home height. It was set at 80 meters. Anyway, down it comes. There we go. We can stop that video pretty soon. It's more accurate than the DJI was. It's pretty well right on the money. So let's see what happens. It's coming down. I'll let it come down most of the way and I'll cancel it, and I'm going to do a hand catch or a elevated pad catch. And I'm going to bring it down, stop that video. There we go. If they get the I know the Hubsan Zino Mini SE is a lot better with the horizon. I've had problems with this Mini for a while, but the flight characteristics are exactly the same. I just had other issues with it, but the Hubsan Zino Mini SE is miles better. Anyway, where's my finger hole? There we go. I'm going to put my thumb in here, that in there, and if I bring it underneath, what happens? It goes up. Pull the stick down. I mean, really. What's the danger in that? And it's solid as a rock, okay? Got sponginess, rubberized mat, that's great. So let's get it up in the air and go the other way this time. There we go. There we are. We're going to grab the other one. Okay. Okay, so we got the other one, the original one that people say don't use, it's horrible. Okay, so I'm going to flip you around. Okay, a little bit this way. There we go. A little up. That way. There we go. Okay, if I bring this inside, up it goes, and I pull down on the stick. Boom. And what's wrong with that? Perfect. Okay. I think last time I was trying to come in from the side, and that was a mistake. Coming in from the back, it's a lot easier. Okay, it just comes down, boom, there you go. Okay. Remember, I've only got one good eye. So that's it. Let's put them all together. Let's get inside. Let's look at all the videos, put something together, and see what you think. Okay. The Hubsan Mini with the black arms has a 1/1.3 camera. Doesn't have the greatest flight characteristics. I'm hoping they're going to fix that. But its younger brother, the Hubsan Mini SE, is basically flawless. It's beautiful. Okay, so there you go. And don't forget, Hubsan just came out with a new one. It's 580 grams, but it's about the same size as this, with a 1/2.6 camera, and it's only just over $300 US. So that's the cheapest 4K video drone on the market today that's any good. Okay, and it's called, get this, the Black Hawk 2. It's on AliExpress, 312 US, something like that. I've tried to get some more information from Hubsan about it, but I haven't got anything yet because they're still on their New Year holiday. Okay, there you go. Let's get inside. I'm starting to get a little bit cold. Take care.